In this video, we will present the main features of the integration between Leon software and Avinode. Avinode can be integrated with Leon in the Admin panel, Add-ons section. Then, we need to find and click on Avinode, and go to Configuration. Apart from status and authorization key, there are some other fields that can be activated depending on the operator's preferences. Here, we have marked some of these fields for the purpose of this presentation. First, we have download requests for quotes, which will automatically download requests from Avinode. Second, we have update requests and quotes from Avinode, which will allow for updating the status of the request directly from Avinode accounts. Third, we have send opportunities, which is used in the export part of the process. Fourth, we have send quote ferry flights, which will include ferry flights in the quotation automatically. Lastly, we have automatically reject unanswered quotes, which means that if there are more than 2 quotes within one request, and we reply to only some of them, the remaining quotes within the request will be automatically rejected in Avinode. Once we have the integration active, we can also select an aircraft here, which should be integrated, and download as well as export data from and to Avinode. Now, we can start quoting. The process works as follows. In Avinode, the client searches for the flight. In our example, it will be from Warsaw to the Luton airport. It can be a return flight, although in this case it doesn't matter. Then, we select the date, the number of passengers and the minimum category of the aircraft. Now, we can perform the search. Once the search is complete and the list of offers is presented, the client can select the ones that are of interest and prepare the request, as well as leave an additional message. Now, we can send the request to the operator. We can also see it in trips in the Buying tab, where we can see that the status is unanswered and sent to the operator with specific prices. On the operator's side, we can see his request right away, with the same request number and ID as in Avinode. The operator can reject the request from the main view if the operator is confident they wouldn't be able to match the price, or they can edit the request. If the price is disconnected, the request price would be recalculated based on the Leon pricing. We can also see in the messages that the message sent from Avinode is also attached automatically, and we can reply to Avinode by clicking on quote and selecting the quotes. We can choose the lowest one and ignore the highest one. Based on the email and document templates, our email is automatically generated with the reply to Avinode, as well as the document attached, and now we can simply click Send. Once we've sent the quote back to Avinode, we can see the status. Amber means the reply was sent, green means Avinode received our reply, and if we go back to Avinode, we can see that the status changed. One quote was accepted, while the other one is still unanswered. If we click on the accepted quote, we can see our reply in Avinode, as well as the flight quotation document and the pricing. We can also see that the quotation on the other aircraft was automatically declined. The buyer can now respond. Once the buyer sends the message, it will be automatically seen in Leon as well. This was one way of working with Avinode. The operator can also request and change the status directly from Avinode. Now we will go back to search for the aircraft, again from Warsaw to Luton, but on a different date, and send the request. Next, we will view the request in trips, but we will switch to the Selling tab. Here, we can see the request that we sent. The IDs in Avinode and Leon software match. In Leon, the status is undecided because the reply hasn't been made yet. With all the quote details and pricing, we can look in Avinode as an operator, and accept or decline aircraft, and then send the response. In Avinode, we can see that this offer was accepted on this particular aircraft, as well as the summary. Because one of the quotes is accepted, the overall status is also set to accepted directly from Avinode. If we go to the Buying tab as a client, we can see that the offer in Avinode is accepted, while 2 offers are declined on the buyer side as well.